It's another Misfits box with Wally back home. Oh my, I got some reading apparently. So they've got a list of what's coming in July. And then they use they have some meats on sale, so they have more than just some of the produce, which I usually buy mostly produce. Look at that later. All right. Have to keep it cold. And we've got some kale and some spinach because we do a lot of, looks like you got a little squished, but that's okay. We got other containers. I like a lot of salads when it's hot, and it's been super hot. And we like to have a lot of smoothies. So we go through those like crazy. And when I went over to our PX, they did not have a lot of that available. And that happens a lot. So broccoli, which we use quite often. I made a casserole last night. It was really, really good, and shared one. And I had no broccoli, so I had to wait. This is a melon we've got. Looks like honeydew. Looks tasty. And then we've got some pears. Wally said he liked these, so we got him some pears. And he can eat those like apples. And I did a double on those. So I ended up getting, how many did we get? 6. So did double. I got some limes. Get some lime juice, Wally, to go with the tequila. Yeah, we got a tequila over here. And then I've got some bell peppers. I do cook with these. These are a little bit tinier. This is Misfits, so they may not be the exact sizes you might want, but they work, and I like them. So I cook with a lot of bell peppers for a lot of different recipes. I love to eat veggies. I use green apples or the Granny Smith apples in salads. I use them in smoothies. I have a smoothie recipe that we really like that this is in. So I try to have those. I don't just snack on them, but they are really good. Here's the tip with Granny Smith. Take some cinnamon, cut them, slice them, sprinkle some cinnamon on top. They're really good then. All right, here's another bell pepper. And we've got some tomatoes and another. So I did the vine ones because I thought maybe they'd be less squished. And I figured they'd last a little bit longer. They usually do when they're on the vine, but these fell off, so they may not. There's some nice organic, succulent, and savorable tomatoes on the vine because I like having tomatoes this time of year and throwing it on my salads or sandwiches or all sorts of things. All right, or I make homemade salsa with tomatoes. So that's what we got here. You can see nice plethora. I think this was only about $35 with shipping. 33, I think it was 35 with shipping. So I could have done, you have to do a minimum of $30 in your cart. You could do more. I just, for grocery budget, I try to do 30 for the produce on this side of things, which is a really good deal for everything we got. Because a lot of times, if I were to buy 6 pears, that might have cost me alone $10 right there. It did not cost me that. Or to buy the bag of apples right now, that's like $6. That would have been $16 for just those. So as you can see, we save quite a bit on these, and they're organic, which can be hard to find for us living on a post. And yeah, we go through a lot of this very quickly. So there will probably be another box next week. Love the flexibility of being able to cancel and change dates. And if you guys have questions, please feel free to reach out. But that's what was in our Misfits box this month. Well, this week. There's nothing in the box we're getting. So hopefully you guys enjoy. See y'all next time. Bye.